Everyone, welcome to this third video. In this video we are going to learn the basic of PHP like syntax. Before starting the syntax, I want to show you something. After installing the XAMPP server, you have different interface on Linux and Mac and Windows, all three, but you have these things are same. These three things will be there. So basically, MySQL database, Apache web server. So web server is basically for serving your files like scripts, and PHP is having the PHP worker, which is working inside your server and calculating the logic, computation the logic, for your code which you have written, and then server will serve the page to the user, and database is like getting data and sending data back to the server and storing the data. So these two things we will use. Apache web server, there is Apache, there is Nginx, but by default for starter, for beginner, you can learn Apache. And in Ubuntu, when you are installing without the XAMPP, the PHP and MySQL stack, then you will using the Nginx. Most of the production use the Nginx. Apache is used by old age website, but Apache is still in the modern way. It's usable, but you need to configure a little bit it. And Nginx is Linux friendly. Apache is also, and by default in the Ubuntu, Apache is installed. But I didn't see more sites with Apache because they all use Nginx. So basically, if you didn't subscribe or like the video, then subscribe and like. Now here we have started the Apache server using the start. So in your things, there they will ask for the location when you are installing the XAMPP, like where you want to install the XAMPP. So here in the Mac they didn't ask, but in Ubuntu it will directly install in the main directory, root directory, and in the opt folder, in the lamp folder, in opt, and then in the lamp folder you will see htdocs, this same kind of structure. Sorry for this. And inside the Windows, in your drive, you have the XAMPP folder, and there you can see this htdocs. Currently, just put here new folder in htdocs and put the name like okay. So very basics. Now also, I hope you have installed something called VS Code or some code editor. It doesn't matter. You can install whatever you like. It is your choice. But okay, VS Code. Please go here, and now I will open the folder here by drag and drop. Now, okay. If you are finding anything in the installation problem, then please comment it. I will help you in that one. Okay, now we are starting with the syntax.php. Now .php means you are writing a PHP code. It is basic. So basically here you can write HTML with PHP, you can write only PHP, you can write only HTML. It's up to you. Doesn't matter. But when you write the PHP, there is a rule. You need to start and stop this one. I need to zoom in. Let me zoom in this one. Now you can see. So you need to start this PHP and end this PHP tag by this one. So how? Start the PHP, end the PHP. So this is the syntax. And this is the syntax, and variable part we will see in the next video how the variable will look. So keep watching.